So um today I'm going to talk about online survey here. That's basically asking questions and you replying through online. Then they would pay you, or they would even cut a portion of what they earn for you. Yeah. So when talking about online survey, there are sites you can do your survey on. Some are Survey Junkie, $1 inbox, what, and a lot of them, yeah, Afrisight and the rest. But today I'm going to show you Afrisight, how the interface is, what you do, where you earn money, etc. Then this too is, I've been paid from there before. But one disclaimer is that survey is not always going to come. Yeah, sometimes it's maybe a week, then one survey comes, etc. So the more sites you have to do the surveys, the more you earn, then the more probability of you getting the survey. You understand? So let's get straight into Afrisight. Yeah, upon opening Afrisight, you can read the terms and conditions there, which I might say you can read it, but me myself, I've not read it. So let's carry on, let's go. So you can even ask, I think, about us, which you can know more of them, what they do, how they pay, this is. So you can go to payout, then you can even see how they pay. They are, bank, they can pay you through bank accounts, mobile top up, etc. But notice the mobile top up is no Momo or mobile money, it's just a credit system, which maybe like buying airtime. Yeah, so they will credit you to in your airtime balance, not mobile money. So bank account has a threshold which is like $5, and the airtime too has a threshold which is like $3. So upon doing all of your surveys, you can withdraw, which you can see I've withdrawn some, and I still have some little dollars in my account. Yeah, do you understand? Yeah, you are gradually getting there. I understand. So you can do, there are metrics or there are informations which you need to fill out, called profiling data. Yeah, so you can fill it out so that they would even find surveys which fits your category, then even post it to you. Then there are general info which includes your name, your gender, country base, language, etc. So upon doing that to the general, your information, general info, you would go to other source like, let me show you how the survey works. Yeah, so this is how the survey works. This is an example of the survey. They can ask you things, then you would check the ones which apply to the question they ask. But note, there are some questions which might be repeated twice for you not to, for them to know that you are following, or you are just collecting stuff, or you're a bot. Do you understand? So they can throw a question to you twice. Then there are some questions too, they will tell you themselves that it is control questions. So that means if you get it wrong, that means you are not following what they are doing. You just want their money. So I think upon explaining this to you, you can give me a like, share, and follow for more tips. I'll be doing a video about survey sites, then the ones they've paid me so far, etc. So even comment and do everything you want to do with this account. Yeah, techwithpro for you.